Welcome back guys to another 0DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be showing the best way to trade 0DTE, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to be coached personally by Ernie himself, click the link in the description where you can find Ernie's trading service. Enjoy guys.
What we do is the out-of-the-money butterfly. Just so you know, the structure is to put it either well above the market price at the money or well below. So above it, we'll put on a long call fly. Below it, we'll put a long put fly. And we typically trade with the trend. We are adjusting the width of our fly to accommodate the volatility regime because under different conditions, we're going to have different rates of premium decay and different profitability available to us. And our goal is to keep a consistent risk-adjusted approach to this so that we're always going after the same amount of money for the same amount of risk that we put on. We don't want that to be flying all over the place out of our control. And we're putting on defined risk. So our risk is super small. So instead of taking huge risk for tiny profit, we're taking small risk for a large potential profit. So everything about this is the opposite of 0DTE trading. The out-of-the-money butterfly is really the only one that ticks all 5 boxes, and we'll see that next. You have defined risk. The debit is the max loss. That's the most we can ever lose, known as our entry. It has asymmetric payoff. At the very most, we use what's called the 10% debit rule. We have a 1 to 9 risk to reward. Sometimes we can put on a 1 to 15 or a 1 to 20, even a 1 to 30 risk to reward. That might sound like a lotto play to you, but if price moves in our direction, we have extreme payoff for the amount of money that we put up for that trade. Our returns aren't like 4.5%, 5%, maybe 10% like the Iron Condor. No, instead, our minimum payoff is usually 25 to 50%, but more typically 150, 200, 400%, sometimes as much as 1,500% return on a single trade. Is it rules executable? Absolutely. Everything about what we do, we know before we even enter the market. We have our analysis, our preparation in the beginning part of the market where we're looking at the volatility regime, the directional bias, and the structural levels where we'll have an event. So before the market even opens, I already know where I'm going to be taking this trade. I'm just waiting for that event to occur. Is it repeatable? Absolutely. Works in any direction, any market, any volatility regime, doesn't matter. Most of efficacy around this trade is trading it in the morning session because that's where the most volatility is, but we do have strategies where you can trade it any part of the session for various purposes. If it's a Fed day, we wait until the Fed is about to speak and then we'll put the trade on. So that would happen in the afternoon. Or gamma scalping, we can do those later in the day. So it's very repeatable and it's scalable. It's scalable because our payoff curve is right skewed long tail distribution, a positive distribution, meaning our risks are always capped. Yeah, we make a lot of small little losses, but we have small wins, medium wins, and huge winners. You never have medium wins or huge winners in the other way of trading. It's always the other side. It is a left skewed distribution. And we'll take a look at what that looks like. So this is a high win rate strategy on your left, showing mu is the median, showing that, yeah, you have a lot of little wins, right? But you also have these medium and long tail huge losers that destroy you. And of course, everybody that has traded these types of strategies know that, yeah, you get on a run and you're making all these small little wins, boom, 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 and then bam, you have one big loser or maybe even 2 big losers that wipe out weeks of your wins and set you back in time every time. And this is why people trading these 0DTE strategies can never compound, ever. It'll just never happen. The math is against you. Where what we do, the asymmetric strategy, it's a lower win rate. However, our losses are always capped. They're always small. Here's mu, a bunch of small losses. But we get small wins, medium wins, and huge winners. And this results in essentially a stair-step equity curve.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable 0DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care guys.